Hello everyone, I am Vikrant, working as a librarian in RPS Degree College, District Mahendragarh in Haryana. First of all, I want to pay my beautiful thanks to this prestigious association who gave me this beautiful opportunity to represent myself, my views, ideas, and my opinion. My presentation topic name is Online Teaching Learning Tools, Benefit, Issue, and Challenges. When we learn from online approaches, we faces many issues and challenges. So here we will discuss about benefits, issues and challenges which come according to perspective times. Definition of online learning. Online education is a type of distance learning, taking courses without attending a brick and mortar school or university. Instead, online students and teachers interact over the internet. The non-existence of a physical classroom, flexible schedule, and reduced personal interactions. According to the US Department of Education, online learning is learning that is undertaken on a computer by means of the internet. In the online learning, we interact by using any online resources like internet or it is done using any software. There are many types of online learning like distance learning, cyber schooling, homeschooling, blended learning, online public education, online school education, college and university classes. E-learning means electronics learning, M-learning means mobile learning. Online public schooling versus homeschooling. Online public schools differ greatly from traditional homeschooling, where parents design their own curriculum that is not sanctioned by state or school districts. Currently, homeschooling is dwarfing enrollment in online schools by ratio in 6 to 1, but cyber education is expected to catch up in the next 5 to 7 years. 48 states and the districts of Columbia have virtual schools while 29 states offers full-time online schools. Online schools and digital learning tools also cater to the way students are learning today. Enrollment in school public schooling supported by software provider K2 has grown from about 1000 students 10 years ago to more than 1 lakh today. Student Island supplemental education software that makes frequent use of learning games is designed for digital natives who are accustomed to using keyboards and being online. Now we will talk about blended learning. Blended learning is where students attend traditional school on a part-time basis and complete their classes online. This model is used as a way for school districts to curb overcrowding issues and avoid the costly process of building new schools or expanding existing campuses. Nearly 30% of colleges and university students now take at least one online class. Online learning enrollment is up nearly 1 million students from the year before, 2010. The phenomenal growth of online education is presenting uncharted challenges for academic institutions. Online program follows standards, but the academic expectations differ greatly. Online education can be as effective than in-class instruction. Now we will talk about M-learning means mobile learning. It is the way to learn the tools of communication involving mobile wireless, which creates the premises of an area spreading message on a global scale. Mobile telephoning has evolved so much that now allows connections of two computers and making consistent data transfer. Mobile learning is a new education paradigm that creates an environment in which pupils access to course materials, instructions, and applications anytime and anywhere.
Hello, hello everyone. I am Radha. First of all, I want to pay my beautiful thanks to this prestigious association who gave me this beautiful opportunity to represent myself, my views, ideas, opinion. As over second person is already says that I'm learning. He's defined collaborative learning. Collaborative means to grouping anything. Google Duo. Google Duo, Zoom Cloud, Say Namaste, Blue Jeans, free conferencing, life size, Skype Lite, WhatsApp GoToMeeting, Milan Setu. Milan Setu is Indian, Say Namaste is Indian. Google Duo referred by the Google and Zoom is related to the China. It is a collaborative learning. By this we can approach online education. Online learning. In a recent survey of 1021 experts, 60% agreed that by the 2020 there will be a mass adoption of the teleconferencing and distance learning. Distance learning means to remote learning. On average, student in online learning condition performed better than those receiving face-to-face instruction. Advantage of online learning. Automatic retention means the repetition. You don't have to take notes. Foster more interaction among students and instructor. The knowledge you want first. Learn at your own pace. Flexibility, anytime, anywhere. Accessibility means to access anything which you want. Advantage of online learning. Workability. It enhances our workability by online learning. Applicability means to apply by easy method. Speed, variety. It is a different form. Cost effective. It is a costly. Promotes online and computer skill. Online education promotes the skills. Reduce travel time. Travel time reduce. Can work around work, family, other activities. Helps to build self knowledge and self confidence and encourages student responsibility. Ability to take out if interesting. Disadvantage of online learning. Learners with low motivation and a bad study habit can easily fall behind. Lack of routine structure. Student may feel isolated from the classmates or instructor. Computer makes assessing course difficult. Disadvantage of online and missing out in normal work communication, potential to less networking space, some issues. Online classes. Online teaching learning self paced classes, computer knowledge lacking, not easy as regular, platform dependent. Challenge in online education. Online students must be self motivated. Online student must team up with a virtual learning community. Overall finding the both next positive and negative on online education. The student chooses student has many options. Good experience, not for everyone. Thank you.